We have made it to Kalamaki Beach. We had to rush here because I actually have permission to shoot my drone here from the Greek authorities. I have only 1 hour, so we are finally here, but we just have to walk a little to get to Kalamaki Beach pier, and then we're going to spend the entire day here. It's just a 20-minute ride from Athens city center, roughly around 11 euros. So just take the taxi. The train takes too much time, so if you're in a rush, just take Uber. All right, so I finally got permission to fly here, so let me show you how it's done. Let me start this guy. Take it out. Some of the beaches here in Kalamaki Beach pier are private, so you have to go through like a beach bar. So we just picked one of them. and look at the entrance. This is called the Macaw Beach Bar. So let's go and check it out, what their entry fee is. But then they have a nicer beach pier with like lifeguards, like a boundary like across, so that you cannot swim beyond that. So actually that is much better. Check this out. Hello. 2 tickets.
For me right now, I don't have umbrella.
That's okay.
That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. You wanna 4 euros? Okay. Thank you.
And for the Sunday you pay at the beach. We have only at the 4 is for the locker.
The locker.
Oh, okay. That's fine. 6 per person. Cool. Look at this view. People are just enjoying the summer. Best view in town. Alright, let's jump into the surrounding gulf of the Mediterranean Sea. Alright, so we finished our beach day and we got some suggestions from a local here, Maria, and she said go to Glyfada. There's a smaller city next, so we are closer to Piraeus, which is away from Athens, and then we're going to go a little south to Glyfada. It's almost 45 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Intense heat. So we are like taking an exit. This was a really good location, if you can look out. Check this out. That's the beach we were at. मेरा नाम वरुण.
यहाँ पर enjoy करो. Always party.
Right. आपको मेरे YouTube चैनल में हाय कहना चाहोगे?
For you?
Any words like on how Greece is?
Greece is beautiful country.
और फिर वहाँ से सैंटोरिनी जा रहे हैं और फिर वहाँ से वापस चले जाएंगे.
सदोरिनी बहुत अच्छा आइलैंड है.
हाँ.
और जो सदोरिनी आइलैंड है ना,
हाँ.
हर कोई 99%
राइट.
जो टूरिस्ट है ना,
हाँ.
वो सदोरिनी जरूर
जाएगा.
वो सदोरिनी, लेकिन इनके और भी बहुत अच्छे आइलैंड हैं.
राइट.
जो नहीं जाते वहाँ.
राइट. नहीं अभी टाइम इज इनफ, नॉट इनफ अनफॉर्चुनेटली. थैंक यू सो मच जी.
नाइस टू मीट यू.
मैं मेरे YouTube चैनल में आपको डालूंगा, तो आपको देखना है तो बताना. ठीक है. थैंक यू जी. टेक केयर. बाय. एल कैथरीन. Let's look at the menu. There are a bunch of Mexican options. They have a whole another vegetarian menu, which was awesome. Oh, some drinks. So yeah, do check this place out in case you're in Glyfada, near Piraeus and Athens. So we went round and round in Glyfada, and then we came to this beautiful Mexican restaurant as we ran out of options and a lot of restaurants were closed. And we finished our lunch, and guess what they gave us on the house? Check this out. Churros with a whole dip of caramel. Really recommended. Really great service, and the churros were out of this world. So stay tuned. Tomorrow will be Athens all day, every day. It's a little bit offbeat of Plaka, and they have good menu, and it has a really interesting seating arrangement. So let's check it out. So we are at this restaurant here,
Odos Lyceum.
and this is the restaurant with
Roof garden.
the best view.
The best view to the Acropolis.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, man.
All right.
You're
I'll
welcome.
give you details on. Yeah. Take care. So check this out, guys. Odos Lyceus. And check this restaurant out. We go up. We found a restaurant with a view. So our food is here. Let's check it out. These are just the appetizers. So this is eggplant saganaki, and this is the tzatziki spread, traditional Greek item, and then the Greek salad. So let's dig in. Let's check it out.